Alright, hey people. Okay, this is the first one in a series of what I chose as 5 of the stories that I will hope that you would read out of my fanfiction. So number 1 on this list, I'm going to start with the most lighthearted and easy to read and head on down towards the more complicated, dramatic, more difficult to read if you're not familiar with Naruto. So the first one I'm going to talk about is actually a series that I think currently has 6 parts. And the title of the series is called Dicking Around in Other Tales. Yeah, okay, so this one is mostly my guilty pleasure potty humor stories. And it centers on what's called a bromance, which is when 2 guys are like best friends and are so close that they don't even need girlfriends. It's not a sexual thing. Although the 2 that I've chosen are one of those dumb yaoi couples that people like to ship. By the way, yaoi is also slash and male-male shipping. Shipping is relationshipping, that's the term, in case you didn't know. But it centers around Izumo and Kotetsu, who are very minor characters in Naruto, and it starts off with the first one is called Give Me Coffee or Give You Death, and it was totally just this thing I wrote one day after work a couple years ago, and it was just a middle of the night rant about coffee. And, you know, for people who enjoy coffee, it's pretty serious business. And, so that's how it started, was it's just funny, and it was terribly fun. So, like, I could read you, like, some of the tags for dicking around in other tales. It's, oh shoot, potty humor, dick jokes, humor, bets and wagers, roommates, intoxication, bromance, pranks and practical jokes, inappropriate humor, that kind of thing. So basically what the premise of this is they are continually kind of trying to one-up each other on being immature. So there's like, you know, they'll draw things on people's faces and try to trick each other and try to make each other uncomfortable, and they make bets, and you know, it's just general potty humor antics with these 2 guys, and you don't really need to understand anything about the Naruto world to enjoy them. In fact, a couple of them are based on true stories, particularly the one that the series is named after, which is Dickin' Around. That was actually based on an event that happened here in my household. So that's sort of PG-13, I would say, and there aren't any triggers in it. There's a little bit of alcoholism, and that's it. And, yeah, that's it. It's a continually ongoing series. I think of ideas occasionally, and I just whip them out. I don't spend a lot of time editing these ones. They're just kind of for fun. So if you want to do that one, I will post the link for the first one. And then when you're done reading the first one, if you like it, then down at the bottom there will be a little arrow that you can click on to get to the next one. And that is Dickin' Around. Thanks.